So here we are, videotaping again. Wendy, there's your little girl. Hey, hey. Hi, honeys. Hi. Hi. There's one of the baby girls. Ooh, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? See, I'm just a little baby. I'm still at 4 hand feedings a day. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, you. Oh, I like you. Hi, how'd you get up there? Where'd you come from? Oh my, what big eyes you have. What a big nose you have. What are you doing up there? Are you checking out? Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hello, honey. Did you come under my hand? Oh, you precious little thing. Oh, you precious baby. Hi, honey. Hello. Hi, baby cakes. What's in here? What's this? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Kendra, here's one of your little babies. These are turquoise. And the first turquoise pied out of the bunch is going to Kendra. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Oh, hello, sweetie. Hello, my little darlings. Hello. Oh, hey, you're traveling. You're traveling. Oh. Trooper, what are you doing over here? Trooper, don't people know that dovies aren't supposed to play with toys? Don't they know that? Don't they know that doves don't have very much intelligence? Trooper, what are you doing? Hey, Troop. Hi, honey. You mama's girl? I love you so much. You're my special friend, aren't you? Yes, you are. Good girl. So for people that don't know this about ringneck doves, by the way, Trooper is a violet neck. See how she's got, probably in the camera it looks red, but it's considered violet, and she has a white ring. and they are considered among one of the prettiest dovies. But Trooper came to me in very bad shape. She had been beat up by some doves, well, probably the pigeons and the quail, in a real small cage she had lived in. And they completely ripped her head up, ripped her back up, and she was just a mess when she came here. But as you can see, she's just wonderful. Now, oh, somebody's chewing on my fingers. Who is it? Come here. He's chewing on my fingers. My work-worn hand fingers. They aren't very pretty, but boy, they sure like to pet little feathery babies. Oh, and little naked butts too. Naked butts. Naked butts. And look who's sitting here. Who found her way to my arm? Oh, you are so precious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my. You just like sitting on my arm. Where'd your sister go? Did I lose one? Come here. Okay. Nice girl. There you are. And what have we in here? Oh, over here. What is this? Oh my goodness gracious, it's another little whippersnapper. Oh, there's a little Linnie. There's a little Linnie, baby. The eyes aren't even opened yet. Hi, baby. Oh, what are we doing over here? Oh, what are we doing? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh, Debbie, do good. Oh, my. You are going to be a really nice Linnie, I can tell. Already. And this little parrotlet over here that is going to live with Wendy is a little Firecracker. She is really a little squirrel to get out of her cage, but she's, oh my goodness, so affectionate and so gentle. She's just going to take a little bit of time to learn to have some manners. But she is a Firecracker. Lots of energy, plays with her toys. Did we find a baby over here? We did, huh? And what are you doing over here? Hi. Linnies do go through a hand-shy stage, but not all of them do. I think this one will not. I can usually tell by now this one's going to be an extra calm one. Whoops, where'd you go? There you are. Oh, hello. Oh, and I still have my visitor. Hi, honey. Okay. All right. Oh, there's Trooper. Still enjoying the toys. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's enough for now. We saw all the pictures of the babies. And how precious. Oh, would you do it? And how absolutely adorable they are. Uh-oh, peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh. I work very hard to try to keep these birds sweet and wonderful, but each one has their own personality. Like Firecracker. She's such a little squirrel. But that's just the nature of parrotlets. Trooper says goodbye. And thank you for visiting. Oops. Oh, now I have 3 of them on me. Oh, I feel so loved. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and blessings from Grandma Rosa's Keeper of Peepers.